the offer of the Chief Minister and the BJP to have a debate on this. They have asked that our earlier two Chief Ministers should also participate. Now, that is for them to decide. But I feel all the stakeholders must be consulted. Now, who are the stakeholders? The captains of industry, the President of the Chamber of Commerce, the President of the CII, the captains of industry in the mining industry, the captains of Travel and Tourism Association of Goa, because the economic meltdown of the state of Goa and the poor performance of the government of Goa is a matter of concern for all of us. Fiscal mismanagement today has gone to such an extent that it will be very difficult for us to come out. I agree with the Chief Minister. He said, I have not defaulted. But he is also agreeing that he is paying rupees 300 crores on interest per month. He is paying around 400 crores on the salaries per month. Another 64 crores on all those schemes per month. And he's taking loan to pay this, and he's taking loan to repay the earlier loans. And he still says, I have got still more capacity to take more loans. That is not a prudent fiscal management. You should create your own revenue so that you can take care of the interest of the earlier loans, of the payment of earlier loans. You should take care of paying the salaries of the staff, but you cannot take loans to pay the salaries. So BJP criticizing Luiz Falero is not important, because Luiz Falero is not giving his figures. This is to be very clearly understood. If BJP party and the government wants to have a debate, let us have a debate with the captains of industry, with Chamber of Commerce, with CII, with the Tourism, Travel and Tourism Association, and all the other civil society. And mind you, there is nothing which Luiz Falero is saying over here. Luiz Falero is only quoting the RBI report and Panchanama.